Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today my mom's gonna show us how to make some delicious suyo, crispy pork skin, pork belly. Okay.
佢聲，我啲乾布索佢先，我啲乾醬布索。
Okay, she's first going to dab the pork to get rid of some water first.
嗱，係佢咁差唔多咁上下啦。
Okay, we flip the pork, so we're gonna be slicing it until the pork skin. 係咪去到一半啦？
唔係，佢到。
喺得浸皮喺度。
將近到個浸皮又唔係咁低啦，緊可嗱，緊可。
Okay, slice it almost until to the pork skin.
去到肥嗰度，去到啦，去到。
Almost up to there, guys. Up to there.
去到肥嗰度啦，去到肥冇。
Up to the fat.
冇鋸太深啊，再鋸太深。
Don't cut it until the skin, but up to the fat section.
去到咁樣。咁啊嗱，差唔多咁上下，咁上下 size 咧就要鋸一粒，咁等佢易入味啊。
Guys, you have to slice it like this so that the flavors can get into the pork.
鋸緊小心鋸。
So you must be careful when you're cutting this. You don't want to cut it too deep. You must cut it until the fat section.
冇鋸得太深啊！嗱咁啊，嗱鋸咗4條欄啊。佢嗰時條欄 OK 啦 ，OK 啦，咁先擺級嗰度啫，落芡先，2羹芡夠啦。
Okay, my mom's going to put 2 teaspoons of salt.
要同落啲芡喺個咧，要同佢按摩下佢，2羹芡。
2 teaspoons of salt.
2羹芡咪落些少胡椒粉咧。
And sprinkle some white pepper.
落少少夠。好啦，嗱咁啊，仲要按摩溫晒佢。
Okay, just massage the salt and the white pepper into the meat. 摸溫晒佢，按摩頭，等佢摸溫晒啲芡嗱，掉欄啲咁樣。好啦，咁到2羹兩匙羹咩？2匙羹五香粉。 Okay, we're gonna add.
睇下1匙羹夠。
Add maybe 1 to 2 teaspoons of Chinese 5 spice.
1匙羹都夠。
I think 1 heaped teaspoon is enough.
都係，又係摸勻晒佢。
Also, just massage it into the pork meat.
五香粉喺佢香好多啦。全部摸勻晒佢，全部同佢massage。咁咧，到面豉啊。
面豉？
我試燒肉。
我啲係面豉啊。
係啊，bean sauce。
bean sauce。
我試燒肉都落面豉嘅，要2羹。
Okay, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of bean sauce. 俾我錄下個樽，個
樽咧，bean sauce 咧係唔係呢個係腐乳樽嚟嘅？呢啲bean sauce
Okay, this is a bean sauce. This is the wrong jar because we just put it in the jar. So so this is just bean sauce.
我有大罐嗰啲bean sauce喺個出邊㗎。
We had like a big tin, so we just add it into the jar. So when you go to the Chinese supermarket, just look for bean sauce. And you also just rub it and massage it into the meat there.
醃落去夠味。醃過隔夜，第朝 烘啊緊咧就要煲滾水，燒滾水，燒滾水燒佢，要烚佢5至10分鐘啦。
Okay, guys, we're gonna be marinating this meat overnight, but in the next day we're going to get a big wok of water, and then we're also gonna boil it for like 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we will start filming that. Okay, we just marinated the bottom of the pork belly.
31號日先正咩啊？31號日先正燒。
Okay, now it's time for the ingredients to get the crispy skin. So
而家浸 B 咧就放5 cup of the soda 啦。
Now we're gonna put bicarbonate soda on the skin. This will create a crispy skin.
要2羹啊。
We're gonna add 2 teaspoons.
Yeah. 2羹。
And we're also gonna massage the skin 啊。係咪又按摩啊？
係啊，要落啲水啊。
We're gonna be adding a bit of water while we're massaging the skin with the bicarbonate of soda. Okay, just massage the skin with some water, guys. Should add some water on that bicarbonate soda, so all that soda will get into the skin.
你叫佢買豬腩啊，梗係咪浸 B 要滑嘅，好住塊面咁滑，咪超 B 嘅。
Guys, when you're buying the pork belly to make the crispy pork belly here, you must look for a cut that has a flat skin, as you can see here.
咁啊到鹽啦，鹽咪又係2匙羹。
And also 2 teaspoons of salt.
2個 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon， 2匙羹鹽。
買浸豬皮唔使篤窿㗎。
做燒緊咧就要烚。
烚咗即係篤啊！
烚完先嘅鬆針。咁噶嘛。
Okay, guys. So like we're gonna be marinating this pork. So after tomorrow, after we boil it, and then we will also stab it with the stabber on the skin. That will create like the bubbles on the pork skin.
鬆佢100幾啊嚇，鬆針。以前咧我哋試試我都要放乜嘢？放保鮮紙，而家唔使放，唔使放保鮮紙，等嗰個風櫃抽乾佢咧，咁咪燒得靚啲。咁咪攞隻碟裝呢佢咁咪得啦。搞掂啦。
咁樣。
咁咪搞掂。
Okay, guys, it's done marinating. 咁咪點啊？擠住隻碟啊？
我擠佢攞個吹又好，攞個碟又好啦。
Okay, guys, so you just get a tray or a big plate and just place it on, and then 唔使用保鮮紙就咁。唔
使用保鮮紙，佢仲咁靚，咪落保鮮紙。
咁就咁擺落雪櫃啊？
咧攞個我中意攞個呢啲巴布，中意攞個呢啲巴布嚟擠。
咁一擠落雪櫃點樣啊？
就咁擠啫。
Okay. Guys, I thought we would be like wrapping this with the cling wrap, but my mom says it's best not to wrap it with any cling wrap. Just leave it like this and just put it in the fridge.
就咁擠好啲。用保鮮紙保住佢，仲冇咁好，等佢個雪櫃抽乾晒佢啲水分。
She's like saying it's best to just leave it like this and put it in the fridge so that it can dry up a bit.
Yeah.
So that the moisture can escape out of the meat.
到燒緊咧就要煲啱大滾水掟佢落去烚佢10分鐘，15分鐘反轉佢，烚佢10分鐘咧，咁10圈咧攞張刀刮一刮佢，刮佢，咁然之後鬆針，鬆完針啊，先嚟燒啲邊，先燒啲邊50分鐘，再燒啲邊40分鐘搞掂。
Okay. Okay, until tomorrow.
攞嗰嚿咩啊豬腩落去烚佢，滾佢10分鐘，滾完10分鐘咧就攞出嚟刮佢。滾佢10分鐘，滾到佢緊可熟咁就得㗎啦，10分鐘左右啦。
Okay, so what my mom did here was she put the marinated pork belly here into some hot water here. We're going to leave it in there for about 10 minutes to help cook it a little bit and to take out the excess salt.
係咁啫。要冇理由60分鐘就咁啦睇熟咗10分鐘啦，咁啊緊緊可熟啦，緊緊可熟啊，兩邊反佢兜起佢。
Oh, look at that. It's been 10 minutes already. It's a little bit pre-cooked already. As you can see, the shape, it has tightened up and it's tense now. Okay, now we're going to make some lacerations on there. Oh, okay, we're first going to give it a scrape with our big knife here. Kim Kha, you quạt lên.
Quạt đi chầm bì.
Oh, just to clean the surface of the skin. Okay. And now we are going to be piercing it all over. You can use a fork as well. But if you have this kind of utensil, it's even better. Gonna do this a few hundred times. This helps the skin to be crispy and the skin will look like it's been sesame. Because we're busy stabbing it, I think the oils will be coming out of the skin from the top. And yeah, you must just be careful when you're doing this because it's very sharp. All over the top. Okay, now it's ready. I think there's plenty stabs on there. And that's done for now.
一間製兩微波爐咧，燒佢肉嗰邊咧就先整佢50分鐘，咁啊燒個邊邊咧，反正轉佢40分鐘咁啊搞掂啦。
Okay, so what we're using is a microwave grill. We're first going to grill the underside here, as you can see here. For 幾多分鐘？50分鐘。For 50 minutes, I think our microwave is a 1,500 watt, so you just need to keep an eye out on what your power is. And then on the skin side is 40 minutes. We'll show you now.
咁放咗去，就咁放落去。因為呢個微波爐咧兩用嘅，可以。
This is our grill microwave. Okay.
好嚟。
1,500 watt power.
轉㗎，因為佢有啲火棒喺上邊啦。
先啦。
咁嗱 grill 50分鐘。
Grill on full power, 50 minutes for the belly.
咁 start
for the underside. And as you can see, this is a very good microwave and grill oven because it's the heat is evenly distributed. Okay, guys, we're gonna look at it again just now when we flip it over.
after 50分鐘咧，反正轉佢40分鐘搞掂。嗱，攞佢出嚟。
Oh, just look at it.
燒咗50分鐘。
It looks like it's pretty cooked already.
燒咗50分鐘。
It's already been 50 minutes. Look at all that juice flowing out. And that's a nice shiny skin there. As you can see, it's already having little bubbles there. That's all thanks to the... Oh, you can give it a few more piercings if you feel like there's not enough piercings on. But as you can see, those piercings became it looks like sesame sprinkles now. That's how the skin will become nice and crunchy and aerated.
篤多幾下咧，咁佢搭爆得靚啲。
It's gonna burst more beautifully on the skin.
好香啊！聞到。
It's all about the skin when it comes to 燒肉。That crunchiness.
聞到，聞到好香啊！嗱，咁啊整佢中間。
Make it in the middle there.
嗱，咁啊搭翻佢入去。
Now it goes back inside for another 40 minutes and it's ready.
咁啊，做40分鐘啊，搞
See
掂
the
㗎啦。
deliciousness just now. Grill on full power, and there it goes. Off it goes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back just now. Okay, guys, take a look. Oh, it turned out very beautiful. very nice and crunchy. Skin there, just look at that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take it out now. Very nice and golden crispy here. Ooh, look at that. As you can see the skin there, there's a lot of little bubbles there. That helps to make it extra crunchy and crispy. Oh yeah, it's very beautiful, smelling great. Very beautiful, guys. Very simple and easy to do. And we're going to be chopping it up just now. We're just letting it cool for a little bit. Today is New Year's Eve, so obviously we have to buy sun or offer to our ancestors and gods. And there you have it, guys. Look at that, it's still bubbling. That little bit of fat there. Nice and fresh. We're gonna cut it up and you're gonna see how beautifully cooked it is. Nice, succulent and juicy. Thanks, guys. We're gonna come back just now to it.
Okay guys, it's time to cut the seal yolk. Okay guys, let's hear the crunch. Look at that, so beautiful. Very good.
少少凍咗，因為好多燒啊嘛，少少凍咗，切個邊邊先。一陣 B 粒粒亮。啲鏡球添。
老人比喵。Smells very good. 老人比正喵啦啲隻。
攞個兜裝好咗。
要喺底下切㗎。
咁又得，擺彎切又得，因為我要擺喺個上面啊嘛。擺彎切都得㗎。咁樣啦。嗱，咁樣按住順序。
哇！
嚇，按住順序切埋好靚咯。你咁樣切又得㗎。好靚啊！
Wow, very delicious, guys. Very delicious.
嗱，咁樣啦。好一剪落去咧，脆卜卜，即係整咩正嘢啦。嗱，咁樣整蚊款先。仲有 decoration 喎，等陣啦，我攞咗個 decoration 先。
Wow, guys, look at that. Look at that, guys.
我唔記得唔
Wow.
影相，要攞個白碟，攞個白碟。
Delicious, delicious. Put some decoration.
decoration 放入用過㗎啦。
Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that.
咁咪靚啲咯。
So beautiful.
咁咪靚好多咯。仲唔熄火？